Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So if you're in the market for a camera, or maybe this is your first quote-unquote real camera, there are many things to consider. And most of the times people will look at things like the number of megapixels it has, whether it has good autofocus, and also whether or not it has 4K video. And so all of these things are definitely important, but the one feature that I think is often overlooked, or maybe people don't know much about it, is whether or not the camera is weather sealed. And so luckily my camera, the Panasonic G85, does have weather sealing, and it's important in so many ways. With the obvious first reason is that it actually protects your camera whenever you're outside. That is super important because, as anybody knows, the weather can change. And so there's been many situations where whenever I went outside initially, the weather was perfect, and then later on it started raining. Or maybe you're in another environment where there's a lot of humidity, moisture, heat, dust. And as you know, all of these things combined with electronic equipment is not a good thing. And if you've invested thousands of dollars on your camera and your lenses and everything else, you definitely don't want that to happen. You want to protect your investment. And so that is the first and obvious reason. And the second reason is something that I didn't really think about until I had a situation where this was super important. And that is, whenever you do have weather sealed equipment, it's normally built more rugged. And so there was this really horrible situation where I accidentally dropped my camera on a bunch of jagged rocks. And luckily, because it was weather sealed, I only had a minor scratch and everything else was perfectly fine. And so I was super thankful that that was the case. And if the camera wasn't weather sealed, I don't think it would have been able to take that type of damage. And the great thing is the weather sealing isn't only on my camera body, but it's actually on the lens itself. And so I get that double protection and double durability. For fast website hosting and top-notch customer service and features, check out Siteground, the preferred service used at GeekOutdoors.com. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below. And so those are the main big reasons why I think you should consider weather sealing as an important feature whenever you are looking for a camera. And especially if you're the type of person who's going to be investing a lot of money in camera gear, you want to make sure you protect your investment for the long term. And so that is it for my thoughts on that. If you actually wanted to see my video on when I dropped my camera, I will leave that in the description area below. And if you wanted to support my channel and get the same camera that I'm using, I will also leave an affiliate link in the description area below as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.